Hi guys, this is Joe. This video will demonstrate how to hide the Wi-Fi spy camera in this flower. This is the plastic flower. There's two ways to hide the camera. We can either put the camera at the bottom, which means we need to make a very tiny hole, or we can simply just put the camera on the top using the flower as the cover. So we'll get the easy way and just put the camera on the top. Let's get started. First, we take off all the flower. Tomorrow we'll put it back later. And we need to stick the camera on the top. So we're using the tape, small piece of tape. Oh, before we do this, we need to install the SD card so the camera can record the video inside. Now we get small pieces of tape, stick to the bottom, and put the camera on the top. Right now we're using the flower as cover. If you want to make the setup more better, you can even make a big hole here to let the cable pass through from the bottom. Alright, the setup is complete, it's simple. We'll get our next step and check the live with the apps. Alright, now let's power up the camera. This is the DC 12 voltage. We plug the power. We also can use the power band about the camera. The camera accepts DC 5 to DC 24 voltage. But if we use the power band, we may need to recharge the power every 2 days. Right now, let's log in the apps and access the camera. This is the apps we install. Now we click the camera. Now it's live. We switch the full screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. If you have further question, you can find us on some social media. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.